Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Vision Friend. In this video, we will dive into the essential concepts of Java that you need to know. Whether you are starting your journey as a Java developer or stepping into automation testing with tools like Selenium, Playwright, Appium and more. This course will help you build a strong foundation to get started. Here, I would be covering everything from very basic. I will also be providing link of this theory document under the description. In this document, you would be able to find theory for each section. I would also be uploading the latest code onto the GitHub repository. You can visit my GitHub profile where you would be able to see this Selenium Java tutorials repository. I will provide link of my GitHub profile and as well as of this repository under the description. I would also be sharing interview questions and their answers at the end of each video. Under the channel's community section also, you can search for the posts with the hashtag Java to find the quiz related to Java. I would also be providing recap summary at the end of each video. Regularly, I would be sharing the assignments for practice. Apart from that, I have also created YouTube Shorts playlist for Java. You can watch this playlist to refresh your Java concepts. I will provide link of the playlist into the description, or you can go to my channel Wish Infinite, where under the playlists tab you would be able to see this Learn Java in 60 seconds shorts playlist. If you have any comments, questions or doubts, you can leave a comment. I will be there to support you over YouTube comments. So overall, you are going to get a unique learning experience you won't find on any other place. And now, before moving further, I would like to inform you that you can now support my channel, and for that you can go to my channel Wish Infinite and then click onto this join button and select the desired option to become a member. You can unlock exclusive perks while helping the channel grow. Your support means a lot. Now coming back to our topic. So what is Java? Java is a versatile, object-oriented programming language designed to be platform independent with its write once, run anywhere philosophy. It is widely used for web, mobile, desktop, enterprise applications, and automation testing. Here are some key features of Java. Java is platform independent, so you can run Java code on any platform with the Java virtual machine, or you can call it JVM. Java is object-oriented programming language which emphasizes reusability and modularity. Java is robust and secure, offers strong memory management and built-in security features. Java supports multi-threading, which means it supports concurrent task execution. Java comes with extensive, rich libraries for networking, GUI, and more. And to use Java, there are some prerequisites which we need to download and install onto our machine. First one is JDK. So what is JDK? JDK stands for Java Development Kit. It is a set of tools needed to compile, debug, and execute a Java program. JDK includes JVM, which is used to run Java programs. Second, it includes JRE, which provides the environment for running Java programs, and also tools like compiler to turn your code into something the computer understands, and debugger to fix errors. So all these things will be included in the JDK, which we are going to install as prerequisite. And the second prerequisite is IDE. So for this particular playlist, I am going to use IntelliJ. Apart from that, you can use Eclipse, NetBeans, VS Code, or any other IDE with which you are comfortable. Now let's see how we can download and install both the prerequisites. So to download the JDK, you can search JDK onto the Google, hit enter, and then you can click onto this first link, which is of oracle.com. I have also provided the same link into the document. And here I would be clicking onto this first link of oracle.com, and from here I can look for the JDK which I want to download. So the latest version is Java 23, but there is long-term support available for JDK 21. So I would be downloading this one. So currently this is the LTS version which is available in future if you are watching this particular video. So you can accordingly choose the LTS JDK version. And now here you would be able to see different operating systems. You can click onto any of the tab as per your operating system. For me, currently I am working onto the Windows machine. So I have clicked onto the Windows. If you are using macOS or Linux, you can click onto the specific tab, and from there you can download the JDK. For the Windows, I would be downloading this 64 installer, which is a exe file. So click here and it will start downloading. And once downloading is done, you can open this exe and then proceed further for the installation. You would be able to see this setup wizard. You can click onto the next for each step and the installation would be successful. And at the end, you would be able to see this successfully installed message. You can click onto this close button. Now the second prerequisite is this ID, which is IntelliJ, which is provided by JetBrains. So here onto the Google, you can search for JetBrains IntelliJ IDEA and then click onto this first link of jetbrains.com. Here onto this page, click onto the download button, and here onto this page, you can select the desired OS on which you are working on. For now, currently I am working onto the Windows OS, but if you are working onto the Mac OS or Linux, you can select the desired tab. And below it, you would be able to see this IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate, which is paid version of IntelliJ IDEA. For now, we would be using Community Edition. To download the Community Edition, you can scroll little bit down where you would be able to see this IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition, and this Community Edition is free and open source. So for this, here I am going to download this .exe for the Windows and click onto this download button. And as soon as download will get started, you would be able to see this thank you message. And once the downloading is completed, you would be able to see this .exe file got downloaded into your downloads folder. You can open this particular file, which will start the installation of IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. Onto the setup wizard, you can click onto the next. If you want to change the destination folder, you can change it from here by clicking onto the browse. For now, I am not making any change and installing it into the C drive inside the program files only, which is default folder. Now clicking onto the next, onto this section, if you want to click onto this .java create associations, you can. For now, I'm not making any change, and clicking onto the next button, again click onto the install and the installation will get started. And now once installation is completed, you can click onto this finish button. Now click onto this start and search for IntelliJ. You would be able to see this IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition, and its version is 2024.3.1.1. So this version can change as per the time. So in future, you would be able to see the different version. You can open IntelliJ from here. And now we are done with the prerequisite downloads. And let me just quickly share the interview questions which can be from this particular section. So here there may be one question which is related to the JDK, that what are all the components of the JDK. So you can answer by providing these details, that it includes JVM, JRE and the other tools like compiler, debuggers. Apart from that, in the interview, there may be one question that what are all the key features or the advantages of the Java, where you can answer these points where we discussed that Java is platform independent, object oriented, it is robust and secure, which supports multi-threading and comes with rich libraries. And that's it for this particular video. You can click onto this first card to go to the next video. You can click onto the second card to access the whole playlist, and stay tuned for my upcoming videos. If you have any comments, questions or doubts, you can let me know into the comment section below. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Have a great day.